Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Loginate. In this video, I will guide you on how to check all data on Snapchat. Snapchat is a very loved social media platform where you can send and receive snaps from your friends and families. So if you want to check all data on Snapchat, this video is just for you. First of all, open your Snapchat application. Now, after your Snapchat application is opened, all you have to do is tap on the profile icon that is at the top left corner. Now you will be led to this page. Here you can see your username, your avatar, etc. Now tap on the gear icon that you can see in the top right corner. Now you will be led to settings page. Scroll down and find my data option. After you find my data option, simply tap on it. They will probably ask you to log back in. Now you will be led to this page. Here you can see many options. You can toggle the options in order to select that option. It includes user information, chat history, and other data like spotlight, shopping, support history, ranking and location, memories, chat media, shared stories, etc. Scroll down. Now tap on the next button that you can see at the bottom. Now you will have to choose a date. You can either choose yesterday, last week, last month, last year, 2 year, all time. After choosing the date, all you have to do is tap on the submit button that you can see at the bottom right corner. So that's how you check all your data on Snapchat. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.